this individual gives, I can't tell you how many hours. Kim, you think I give hours compared to this guy? I don't give hours. This is like, what's that old game, Where's Waldo? This guy's like, where's Waldo? I mean, where is he today? Where's he going to be tomorrow? Where was he yesterday? He's got just an amazing insight for people, and he can reach out to people, and his warmth about people and to people is just remarkable. And he could just say, hey, let's go, and before he can get it out of his mouth, they've already lined up. Okay, who's got the radios? Let's go. And it's I would say Pied Piper, but that would be a joke. This is the real deal. And he's got vision, and he's not afraid to work outside of the boundaries. To him, there are no boundaries. There's just opportunities, and I think that's really what makes a chapter leader just remarkable to work with. And a number of years ago, we were able to open a dialogue and really start to found it. And I've got more to say, but before I do that, I'll give it away. So you'll step up here.
My boys voted for you.
Yes. Awesome.
So
Awesome.
this is amazing. When we sat down the first time and we started talking about strategies of growth and what are you doing over here, what are you doing over here, I go, why are we doing it on two sides of the fence? Why don't we tear the fence down? And he looked at me and he goes, well, that only makes sense. And from that day forward, it's been just exactly that. There's been no you and me, it's just been we. And we talk quite a bit. It's either texting, the first question is, where are you? And the second question, are you coming or going? This guy's driven to Denver or driven to Colorado, hustled back for a show, then go back to Colorado. I'm like, dude, they make airplanes. Yeah, but not BMW. It's remarkable. I'm the kind of guy, I create really strong bonds with people, and I don't apologize for it. If I can get through any kind of presentation without crying, I'm pretty good, I guess, but I can't.
Sure, that too.
Yeah.
Let me give him a
break. It's amazing. It's like drive where you want to go when you want to leave, and I think that's what happens when you see this combination. I don't see Z's, I just see BMWs, and that's the value. I don't see Rich, Russ. What's that you're driving? What are you driving? Mini. Couldn't think of it. There it is. I knew it was here. I just couldn't find it. Yeah, I don't think Minis. I just think BMW, and I think, and people come in that way. And so that's the plan that we have rolled together a number of years ago, and it's just been a remarkable relationship, and it's one that really we want to say thank you to you. You've lifted our boat as well.
The key word, our boat.
Yeah.
I mean, we buy these beautiful cars, and it's a shame we don't drive them. We drive them to lunch, we drive them to a Cars and Coffee, we stand around and talk about them, but we don't drive them. And I got with Stan and said, we got to drive.
Yeah.
And we had developed a number of great drive leaders, Richard, Anthony, in the Z group, and said, we're here. And I don't care who leads it. And I don't care whether we call it a BMW CCA event or a ZS CCA event. It doesn't matter. And we go out and we drive. We do our monthly, what I call training drive. a drive, a mystery drive, for example, this month, to go somewhere to get people familiar with driving. I'll pick on Gary.
Yeah.
Gary came to breakfast, Gary and Deb, once a month. And that's all we saw them. And then we started getting Gary out. We had to twist his arm to come out on a drive with us, to realize we drive safely, we're extremely well organized, we communicate, we never leave anybody behind. And they started driving. And next thing you know, he's on multi-day drives. He's coming to the Panhandle with us. Z-Fest?
See on the keys. Yeah.
Z's on the keys. Z-Fest. And that's what we do. We get people to appreciate. And the other thing we run into along the journey, we got great cars. But even more important is we got great people that own these cars. It's not about the cars, it's about the people that own them. And I tease all the time that we went from a car club to becoming a social club that happens to have an interest in some beautiful BMW cars.
True.
So John Snyder, one of our area governors, we're going on a cruise again, a real boat cruise in November. Thank you, Heidi. That'll be the second one we've done. And we gather up and we've become a large social group. We meet for breakfast. I know our group, we meet every Wednesday morning for breakfast to keep up with all the activities that we got going. So we're planned out for most of the year, and it's a busy year. And it's working. And I talked to all the ZSCCA chapters. I'm on calls with them, and they don't get it. Why aren't you working together? And I've been shunned by other BMW CCA groups in other regions. I show up in a Z car and, okay. Oh, look at that one, and they'll just walk right past you. And wait a minute, we're all in this together. And now, you'll find it too. I don't know why. Why didn't we see that? Work together. Great people, great cars, great means, great times. And it's working here. And I'm really proud of it. I promote it to ZSCCA. We talked about growth on Stan's side in the BMW CCA. Last year we were barely the 5th largest ZSCCA group in the country. With this 2025 program we ran, we are now number 2 and soon to be number 1.
Booyah! Booyah!
It just works. You know, it's all about the people, and we have the best.
Erwin, speak about how us non-Z owners can be a part of the ZC.
Yeah, the boundaries. So I went to President of ZSCCA and I said, let me just confirm. Do you require us members to have a Z car? No. Anybody can join. All right. So all of a sudden, I see BMW CCA members showing up at our events, and now they're buying all these Z cars. And that's not all of them, because there's probably 3-4 of you here today that have one that didn't bring it. And we mix. And now the same with the mini group. They came and said, hey, we've lost our leadership in Southwest Florida. Can we hang with you? And I talked to Stan as well. Now the minis are signing up for both groups and having a blast. And we have people that have Z cars and minis or BMWs, and we're all one big happy family. And it's working out very well.
If you want the app, I have the Speedy Z chapter sign up right here. I'll be glad to share it with you.
Yeah.
The other thing we did was said, listen, we got all these area governors scattered all over Florida. If every area governor would host one weekend, So every quarter, somebody's hosting a weekend in their area. In 2 years' time, we will have driven the best that Florida's got to offer. So we did, where's Jeff Cunningham?
Over here.
We first won Jacksonville. What a great time.
That was fun.
We had to cap the north meets the south. We got too many people signed up. And that's going to be a spectacular. You don't know what you're missing if you missed it, but we'll repeat it. And we're planning a couple other ones. And if you don't have people to lead them,
You
we
got
do.
people to lead them.
How many were at the mountain drives?
It's like a reunion here.
Yeah. Who was out front leading the drives?
That's right.
We're going to drive. We're going to drive, and we're going to have a good time, and it just works.
Yeah.
It just works. So thank you.
So here's what I'm going to do. Here's Erwin's plate. So I'm going to do all the surgery,
Okay.
and then I deliver.
Okay.
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 So there we go.
Nice.
Okay.